Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my other social media. This video will be for people that just move into a small space, or for people that already live in a small space and you only has the sofa and just the TV in front and doesn't know how to accommodate everything as long with some Christmas decoration to make the room to look bigger but useful at the same time. Well, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Is to clean their space, including cleaning the walls as well. When we're moving into a new place, sometimes it's not completely clean and we have to do our own retouch. Even if you're already living in your space, it's good to clean up before organizing and adding new furniture into your room. If you like the smell of lavender, this is a lavender oil. You can put some in the water, in cold water, and you can clean the walls with it. The essence of lavender is really good since it creates an atmosphere of calmness. So lavender is a good choice when you want to come and enter into your space and feel relaxed after working a long day. So let's get started with this. Let's clean our walls. This is a tip. If you want your sofa look like brand new, you can go ahead and get some cold water and you dump all the fabric. That's what happened. If you notice, when we wash our clothes, they look like brand new. Depends on the fabric, depending on the texture and the brand as well. So the same thing happened with the sofa. So all you gotta do is ramp it up. It wanna look a little bit wet, which is fine. You let it dry. Don't put no heat on it, like blower or anything. It will dry on its own. So the same thing with the pillow. You do the same. Let it dry. Don't put any heat on it since it can damage the material. Always use cold water, never hot water. I have seen many YouTubers putting plastic bag in the brooms, supposedly help with the dust not to be on the broom. Mine is a mess. I just covered it up. So I want to do the test and let's see if it works. When you are mopping the floor, always use cold water, especially in wood floor. That made the floor look more bright and more cleaner. Also, don't use no chemicals. I never have put chemicals in none of my wood floors because of that reason. It made the floor lose the shyness that I have. So, in also, and we build a lot of build up. So always use the mop in cold water, extremely cold water until then, and that's it. Don't soak wet because then it's damaged and it lasts longer to dry. All right, so that's a tip from Iris. This is a bookcase that I put together. This is good for a small studio apartment. and also because accommodate everything that you need. So this easy to put on. It's very stable. Also put protector under so that you don't scratch your floor. All right. We never can go wrong with gray and pink. Those are beautiful combination. So now we want to use our pillows. You can find this even in the $5 store. They're really good. I have owned them for a couple years now, and they still they said they don't get flat at others. So this is a really good pillows, sofa pillow. So let's get started on this one. So now we want to accommodate the blanket. This was also was in Fire and Below. I think it was last year. I'm going to use the back instead of the front. So now we want to use. So now this is the guideline that we're going to use for the fireplace. Make sure that those are the pre-lifts. So make sure that you can accommodate something under so it doesn't scratch, especially because the fireplace are not the real one, and this is basically can scratch really easy. So mine is protected because I did it years ago, and it doesn't scratch, but just be careful. You have bubble wrap that comes when you order. Um, Fry your stuff, don't throw them out. In fact, you can put inside the stocking and make them look fluffy. Yeah. You don't need to work with what you have. It looks taller. And also in a skirt and just cover the part. And there you go. You can use a easel, excuse me, to put a frame. And then And now we want to talk about decoration. In this case, the Christmas light. I chose clear lights because it's made the room to look brighter. It looks more bigger. It looks clean. It looks organized. So definitely, it's totally up to you. Color Christmas lights, they look beautiful. It's accommodating everything. One thing that I do now is this fire is basically a dark gray. Pink or blue with gray goes amazing. So you can see all the decoration. I use the pink pillows and also the blanket has some Christmas in there. So I was looking for that combination. So it makes the room definitely to look more organized than using a bunch of color. When it comes to the art wall, that's another thing. I like neutral browns, beige. Those color makes the room also to look organized in the wall. Another thing is that notice is a mirror. Mirrors made the room to look bigger. That's one thing that when you walk in some places like a hotel perhaps or anything, a living room in someone else's home, you see that sometimes they have mirrors all over the wall. It because it made the illusion that the rooms looks bigger, but in reality, it doesn't. But that's how a lot of designers do. They adding mirrors into the space, so it had the illusion will looks bigger. So that's another one that you learn from me, Iris. Thank you so many people that have subscribed to my channel. All those people that are watching my video, they leave the comments and so many beautiful things. It's really important to me. Any questions in regards of this video, please feel free to let me know. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. And we all have this life outside YouTube, we do. But everything that you guys are doing, just leave in the comments and give me a thumbs up is it's beyond words for me. Thank you so much for your support. And all those people that are coming to see my channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave your comment below, share this video and give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.